good, everyone? Thanks for tuning in to Mommy Hunter. I'm Zach, and today is a very, very exciting day. It's the start of Dungeness crab season, so couldn't resist. Had to get my hands on some Dungeness crab, one of my favorite seafoods in the world. And just to give you a little glimpse on what we're working with here, we got two really fresh, can't get the other one out, but check that out. So the recipe I use is very untraditional. Most people either steam the crab or boil the crab. So I do a boil, except I do it in a very untraditional way where I do it sake bomb style. The sake and the beer actually enhance the flavor of the crab meat and it makes it sweeter. And unfortunately, they got into a jiu-jitsu tangle here, and one of the claws got torn off. This is why you have to tap out. Grab the crab by the hind two legs, and then what you're gonna do is just bring over the pot and drop them in as quickly as possible. Oh, he can't pinch you anymore.
Why? Because he died.
One teaspoon. A little less than 1 teaspoon.
Dada, look.
it is crab time. What we have here is the lemon butter sauce that I made, the Asian soy ponzu, lemon, and whatever else I put in there. And then we have the smoked paprika with chimichurri butter sauce. And of course, the star of the show, this huge, delicious plate of crab. First, I typically will start off with my lid, the crab butter. Gotta go crab butter first. It seems to just set eating crab off the right way. Then I'll put a little bit of my Asian sauce in here. You can eat it straight up. It tastes like uni. To me, it tastes like uni. Oh yeah, man. Nothing wrong with, definitely nothing wrong with that. You got the bits of purple meaty chunks from inside the lid. And then you have the liquid, this liquid gold. Yeah, not wasting that. So I pre-crack these. Like I said, you pre-crack it. You just get to sit down and enjoy it. It makes life so much easier. I'm gonna go for chunks of meat here. I'm gonna go, let's do it straight up. Yeah, the sake and the beer, it definitely made this meat a lot sweeter. I mean, crab already, the Dungeness, they already taste delicious as is, but the sake and the beer just bring it up to the next level. Check that out. I'm gonna go butter. Let's do butter. I've never had 3 sauces before at the same time. I usually will just do the Asian sauce 90% of the time. Let's see. Yeah, butter's butter. Can't complain. It's pretty dang meaty crab here. So I found if you're shopping for crab, one trick is to make sure that they're meaty. Look for the crabs with a lot of this fur right here. The more fur they have, the least likely they've molted. Let's go for the Asian sauce. Let's hit up the Asian sauce. This is my tried and true go-to each and every time I have crab. Let's see. Definitely make sure that you refrigerate that and let that steep for a couple hours, because it really gets a chance to marinate. The soy and the citrus mixed together, it comes out 10 times better. I know a lot of people use those little forks, those little crab forks, and to dig out the pieces of meat that's hard to get to, like these little bits right here. You really don't need one of those little forks. You just use what nature gave you. Just break off the tip, the little end tip claw right here. And then what you could do after this is just dig it out. You just dig out the meat out of the little crevices. See? And there you go. Nature's Nature's crab fork. I'm gonna go for the smoked paprika sauce. That could be a challenger to my Asian sauce. I'll be honest with you. Man, that's got a lot of flavor. Stir it up. Get that pepper and the garlic and all the seasonings from the bottom. Kind of reminds me of pseudo crab boil, Vietnamese crab boil style flavor. That's what I could say it reminds me of. Yeah. Just out of curiosity, let's go extra decadent. Let's go 1 dunk, 2 dunks, 3 dunks in. Oh man. Oh man. Oh, that's like an orchestra right there. That's the way to go. That is the way to go. Yeah. New discovery. That's addicting. I gotta figure out how to combine all of those now. So one thing with the Asian sauce, I usually will make it when I have crab, but you make so much of it at times that you can also use it to marinate. I've marinated lamb chops with it, and I've also used it for salad dressing. Curious to know how those of you that do make a lot of the sauce and try it as salad dressing and the marinade, let me know in the comments how you liked it. All right, that's gonna do it for me today. Ate about 1.5 crabs, worth every single bite. If you like what you see, click on that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.